Here's JOYHUB app. So you can see it's quite popular. So bring everyone, join pleasure. Welcome to JOYHUB, while a global community of users come together to celebrate diversity. We are committed to inclusivity, equality, and meeting the unique needs of every individual. No matter your sexuality, location, or background, we welcome you with open arms. Our mission is to make advanced technology accessible to all, empowering individuals to create their own joy within a welcome and diverse community. In this latest update, we have enhanced features, fixed bugs, and made JOYHUB even better for you. So, community recommended mode, video mode 2.0, do-it-yourself mode, video chat, remote control, game, control your toy with simply shaking your phone, membership, SMS verification, and 19 new languages. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. So yeah, let's just see how it looks like. So let's just open the app. So here you can see you can control all of these devices. You can add a device. You need to turn on Bluetooth. There is a manual. You can search for device, and then then there is a community. There is chats, and then you can sync with other users. So that's kind of the idea. Then you have settings. You see your posts, you see likes, you see collections, settings, about, check for updates, your account. You can delete your account, and then you can just connect this, and that's kind of the idea. So you can see all of the different stuff like that. So that's kind of the idea.